Having some basic medical devices in the home are essential to maintaining your health as well as responding to minor emergencies around the home. I'm going to give you some devices that you may want to consider adding to your stash. Number 1, a thermometer, self-explanatory. Number 2, a blood pressure machine. Even if you do not have issues with your blood pressure, when you feel ill, your blood pressure could go low or even very high. And knowing what these numbers are essential to deciding if you need to present to the emergency room or to the doctor's office, as the case may be. Number 3, having a pulse oximeter. Even if you don't have respiratory issues, bear in mind that a bad viral infection can actually drop your oxygen levels, and having something to actually measure your oxygen levels when you feel short of breath is essential to deciding when it's an emergency and you need to go. Number 4, having a scale. I know, seems simple enough, but sometimes when you lose weight rapidly or you gain weight rapidly, it gives your doctor an idea of what's going on. For instance, sometimes rapid weight loss is the first sign of cancer, or rapid weight gain could tell us that, well, heart failure is worsening, or a patient may have new onset thyroid disease that's making them gain weight. Number 5, ice and heat packs. I know. You can use the bag of peas, but please don't use this. Go get yourself ice and heat packs. They're more hygienic and better for everybody. Now, if you have some other medical conditions, you may want to get something more specific. For instance, if you have COPD or asthma, you want to get a nebulizer. It helps the inhalers get better to your lungs than if you just use the inhaler alone. Another thing you may want to have if you're diabetic, even if you're not on insulin, will be a glucometer to check what your sugars are, because sometimes you feel kind of funny, sometimes because your sugars are too low or too high, and knowing exactly what those numbers are can give you some peace of mind or not and send you to the emergency room. Finally, everybody needs a first aid kit. It has anything from tweezers to alcohol swabs to scissors, anything you need to respond to a minor emergency. Now, bear in mind, if you do not know how to use these devices, have no fear. Next time you go to your primary care physician office, take this with you and let them know you don't know how to use it, and I'm pretty sure they'll be happy to teach you. If you like what you heard, you like this video, you want to hear more, consider subscribing, following, sharing for more, and I'll see you next time.